So this one is the wide one for Nigeria. You see? That's one the wide one for Nigeria. The way I take two together like this, I just see my can take form sample. It's not the wide one for this one. This one another color for this one. So they call them sincere Nigeria products. You understand? Now 10 a day inside, 10 pieces a day inside.
So as you dey tell our viewers, say this one the wide one, this one that one. You go to tell the price they journal, make they understand.
Okay. Like this one, say this one we dey here, this one we dey here. They go on that way dey here. See on that design. For this one, now see Nigeria, and this one too. Now see Nigeria.
My people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Today na 7th of April 2023. For today, I did for Cook Road. I want to show you a new price of PVC. Many PVC they here, designer and normal PVC. In front of me, now the Oga Pata be this. You want to tell us the good price of the PVC. So Oga, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening.
Me want to talk to you. So my name is Saboye. What about your name?
My name is Obina. I mean they say PVC and suspended ceiling. You can see no, I mean they fix and install water collector. I mean they say water collector, sir.
So you gonna show our viewers the price of this PVC?
Okay. This one I just call my stock now. So this one is the wide one for Nigeria. You see? That's one the wide one for Nigeria. The way I take two together like this, I just see my can take form sample. It's not the wide one for this one. This one another color for this one. So they call them sincere Nigeria products. You understand? Now 10 a day inside, 10 pieces a day inside.
So as you dey tell our viewers, say this one the wide one, this one that one. You go to tell the price they journal, make they understand.
Okay. Like this one, say this one we dey here, this one we dey here. They go on that way dey here. See on that design. For this one, now see Nigeria, and this one too. Now see Nigeria. All these ones now we they see so now Nigeria of high quality. A bundle for each one. A bundle now 22,000 naira for a bundle. 22,000 naira for a bundle. All these ones now 22,000 naira. All the any color we choose for here.
Okay, any color we they choose here, 22,000 for a bundle.
Yes.
Now you said that 10 I inside the bundle.
10 I dey for inside this bundle so, and they be all those ones so hold down. 10 pieces now dey for inside this one. You know see development Nigeria Limited.
Okay. Okay, our viewers don't made mistake. This is the one we dey grant here.
Yes.
Now be this.
And I be this one.
Okay,
sir.
now you arrange the nonsense as you arrange about this one long. Made it for describe one for the way.
Okay.
I tell you here because I see short. And they look up a long.
Okay. This one, the way I take one like this, I'm cutting a sample.
You will tell our viewers when they understand.
No, sample. I just tell them do sample. But you long part this one. Not we say they come like this. So okay. So if they long part, you long like this they come. I just they can do sample. Now see they for all of them.
Okay.
This one I just say if you want put them for up, now see you call the B. I see you want like na ties you put for top. They call them ties PVC.
Okay, ties PVC.
Because they come with all those ties pattern. Like this one now, it be like ties. See this one, it be like ties.
It be like ties.
It be like ties. You gotta say what is they for up. You understand? So any ties you buy for grant, you go all match and with this one. Because they come with different designs. All these ones, this one the same thing. So now be so na sample be this one, but if they long they come. I go even run one for inside the bond make you see how
it for seeing. So some people look at you and say, he confused.
Yes,
I don't want me to confuse. That's why I asked you that question.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Like this one now. See that they build this one. Now just run.
Don't raise on me there.
See this one, me not see. Make you see my people see.
Okay.
Look like the long reach.
I need a long.
The long. Come here, I open away.
Because today, grand, just as sure. It could be like say confuse me. I go see confuse our viewer, but as you know, long.
I just my shoe there for instance.
And a 10 board united they come.
10 pieces not inside.
Okay, 10 pieces. I dey inside.
And how they come?
How much they talk the price just now? The price
22,000.
Okay, 22,000 for one board and 10 pieces.
That's the long reach.
Oh, a long.
This is long reach.
And very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Be like ties.
It be like ties. This kind of you come match ties when it be like this kind of.
Thank you.
Not to match.
But to match and finish. And your day from here.
Okay. Now day from here to ground.
So
different colors.
Understand? So see the inside. So I just they show. So this one I be the white one, and a bundle for this one is 22,000 naira.
Okay.
And a Nigeria PVC, this one, the white one.
Okay, okay, I see they see some for. Which one see be this?
This one now suspended ceiling. So another new, another ceiling. So in case my customer they interested in this one, this one a gypsum board. You start the day for up. No say on my last video, I know show I still they be for up. Start the day for up. You see, I take me some. You see where they put the lights, see PVC lights. And how you say light there now? I was short on now, but light now they don't take adjust now. This one they don't have to put the other light for that side. They there. So see that one. This one, those one we say get lamination for back. Now this why they talk for the video. We get something for cover for the back.
We get something for back.
Might show you one.
Okay, wait, before you show us one, you will tell our viewers the price.
Okay, the price of this one, now 11,500 for this one.
Now one how many they come for bundle?
Now eight for one carton. And that one carton they come with accessories to feed. Don't they construct them.
Okay, wait till they fit some.
Thank you.
If they come with them.
They come with.
That is, tell us the price. Just
11,500 for one carton.
You say?
11,500 for one carton, and 8 pieces they sell for one carton.
Okay. What about this? I see another design.
Some of that design. No say I put that for center. No say that I explain to my customer say if you want buy to make it more economical, go buy more of this one. To buy less of this design for center. I go bring out the beauty.
Okay, you go bring out the beauty for parlor.
Yes, for parlor. You like in a royal some pattern. So like this one now, this one now, see the gold. That POP suspended gold with the fire. We put the light. This one still stands for that 21,000 naira for a carton.
Okay, for a carton.
For a carton. This one 11,500.
Okay, this one 11,500
for carton.
What about this one?
This one now, he brought out of this one.
He brought and fine.
Fine, and I still good but this one price is cheaper. This one now see cheap small. The difference of 3,000 naira. This one now 14,500 for a carton.
Okay, 14,500.
And this one they follow with accessories. Okay. Yes, those 2 feet, 4 feet, main runner and one angle. So this one now 21,000 naira. Because one cost that cost past all of the way they see for up. So this one that cost past the way they see for up. So this one, and this one. You see, these are the whites of this one. This one say 21,000 naira.
Okay, this very one say 21,000
naira. Yes, sir.
So, Obina.
Yes, sir.
So this very one, no say he gets some. With the premier fire no enter anybody house. Case of fire enter. Fire fit burn this thing.
No. Fire not be what this is. This one now, if as in fire, you know they catch fire. Say fire touch and go boom. Go maybe one catch fire. No, you understand? But waiting they inside, feel withstand fire.
Okay, without you don't feel excuse.
You don't feel squeeze that lie. You don't feel squeeze and say you want squeeze because not waiting, not be paper. They see for up so. Now waiting they use something more that's in one strong. The smell is very strong. If you hit her now, might show you one. Might play now can be so might one for see now this side carton so might bring one come out you see so you see
okay
you see very funny go see no the bend you see very strong you understand but if you match yourself you know go get break at the back with this one see the front say see very strong no the they very strong. See, and the lamination be this one. The back.
Okay, from the back.
For the back. So, so some water don't go spoil them. You won't get water one chair. Or maybe your roof they leak.
Maybe they leak.
You understand? Now the example for this one. I did for up. All this one so.
Okay.
I did for this. I be this color. So see the color here.
Okay.
See the color. See that for up here.
I see here.
I be this one. So very strong. You understand? So you don't get the fear say why they go match them or they shall match and why you go break like. Very strong.
Okay, now this one I say 11,500. Okay, 500.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. I say they see some. They may say.
Okay, this one has some the way they grant. So this one did that POP own.
Okay, the POP when we show our view for up your
sound. Yes, so. So I'm still strong. You understand? Now see, you also say the cast and POP. So on a better casting. No, we know say get some people they use better fiber. So they don't use fiber. Just cast and make strong. So on a direct. Yes, so now Oyibo do and come. Not be saying na Nigerian man. So Oyibo do and come put for inside carton. That be this one so.
Make kakaraka. As you dey naka, me go see naka me see. I want naka. Now ugbo. It's strong.
Even this one, you see now this one, make it sound very strong. See now this one from back or back up front. So
it's strong.
You ever see the knock door? Very strong. So all those ones now. So if they buy all those ones now. If they come with accessory and this one you know the guy say why they not good before or you not good before why they go buy extra we no need to not give no food no need to buy wood for this material.
Okay, for this very
This
material.
material, all these two so. Only all this one so.
Okay.
No need to buy say oh, they go need to knock the wood again or why they go remove the wood. Even though the wood they built before, you know affect them. Even though na POP wood they use before, you know affect them. If na normal ceiling board wood, they not go, you know affect them. You not concern them. You will not concern. What you just need na just see your brothers, those two accessories, 2 feet, 4 feet, main runner and one angle. Now they all need 2 feet, 4 feet. I will show you if you enter my shop. Make I show you those things where I try to stay. So you get where I park am here because na cause space not there here.
Okay, you want take me go, make sure na the wetin dey try to explain just now.
See some of that wide one and the sample be all this one.
Na the be this. Yes, na warehouse e dey.
Na warehouse be this one.
Okay, and if dem need that in bulk, you go fit supply them.
Many, I tell up to 1,000, 2,000 bundles.
It's okay.
So see this one, sir. So I talk. Like this thing, now your needs, and this thing, you know, they buy am, they follow am.
Okay, they follow am.
They follow am, man. I be this one, you just put this one for am. You don't start for there. As kakara as is strong. So no to say you want buy wood. You wan buy say why they go buy wood, why go say you no need wood at all, you know you don't need wood at all. You understand? So those iron there they follow am. So
okay, now one I be the brother wey dey follow am.
Yeah, the brother
without even though as dem long the house, e no concern this ceiling board. Once this e brother follow am come, dem fit tack am put.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
My people, una don hear wetin Oga Obinna talk. My people, this Obinna wey I say dey talk about so, and I see the water connector, man. It dey say water connector. Yes, and you see they installed, and I see they say this PVC wey they showcase for us just now, different type of design. Wey show. So, okay, you call the number and your address for my people when they reach you.
Okay. My address now, number 28 Cook Road, between Forestry Road and Mission Road. Number 28 Cook Road, between Forestry Road and Mission Road. Or you say shop where they opposite secretariat for Cook Road. You shop where they opposite secretariat. Now my shop there. So my number now 070 69 78 65 09.
Come again?
070 69 78 65 09.
Another number there with the physical issue?
Yes, that's a issue.
Oh, yeah, quick rush and talk.
Okay, 080 33 88 46 11.
My people, I greet you for someone to watch this video.